Have you ever had freeze-dried Skittles? They're amazing. And what if you can make them at your own home? I'm Joe Deck, and today we're making a DIY freeze dryer. Today we're making a DIY freeze dryer, and it's separated into three main components. We have this cooler where you put your food, this is where the condenser is housed, and this is where the vacuum pump is housed. Now these systems work together to freeze dry your food. In around a day or two, we're gonna play around with it and try to hone in on a sweet spot. So hopefully you'll take your berries, your favorite candies, you can pop them in here, and over the course of a day or two, they'll be ready to have a shelf life of multiple years. Now you might be asking me, why am I doing this? You can buy freeze-dried candy at the store, and same with freeze-dried fruit. I'm doing this to see if there's a potential alternative to bring the cost down to typical residential freeze-drying units. Right now, they're priced around $2,000 on the cheap end, so we're trying to see if we can hack that. The first step in the process is to familiarize ourselves with the freeze-drying process and prove to ourselves that we're able to do it in-house, and then see if we can make it cheaper, smaller, simpler, faster. Right now, this prototype is really rudimentary. We're just using off-the-shelf parts and rough, stuff that I cobbled together. But once we understand the process a little bit more, we can get around to innovating and really cracking down on how to make a product out of this. Who is this for? Well, personally, I like freeze-dried food and I like the idea of preserving my food, but I don't like that huge $2,000 price tag hanging over my head. So I'm trying to bring it to people like backpackers who need freeze-dried meals, but don't want to pay $15 for one simple meal on the trail. All right, well, I want to hear from you guys. Are you guys interested in freeze dryers? Do you have them yourselves? Let me know. If we had a simple, cheaper freeze drying solution, would you guys be interested in that? Please comment that down below. Let me know that this is a good idea. Let me know if I should keep working on it, and I'll see you next time.